Hey everyone, welcome to FlowFitDIY, your go-to hub for DIY plumbing, home repair tutorials, and smart plumbing hacks. Whether you're a beginner or a hands-on homeowner, this channel is here to help you tackle plumbing projects with clear step-by-step guides and easy-to-follow tips. You'll learn how to fix leaking faucets, replace Moen and Delta cartridges, install kitchen faucets, repair shower valves, and much more. We'll also cover essential plumbing repairs like toilet fixes, garbage disposal installs, pipe leak repairs, and bathroom DIY jobs. Along the way, I'll share the best tools, fittings, and maintenance tips to keep your home running smoothly, all while saving you money and giving you the confidence to do it yourself. If you're ready to take control of your home repairs, hit that subscribe button and join the FlowFitDIY community. And don't forget, drop your questions in the comments so we can learn and fix things together. This is just the beginning. Let's get fixing. And I'll see you in the next video.